Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is peppered gizzard with fried plantain and yam. Please watch till the end and help me to share. Thanks. So here is my already washed gizzard. I'm going to add everything: onions, bouillon powder, salt, and seasoning. I'm also going to add some thyme as well. I'm going to put a little amount of water and then let it to cook. Guys, this recipe is very easy to prepare and you are going to love it. Please make sure you watch from the start till the end and also help me to share the video. So now I'm going to cover it and let it cook, and as you can see, after cooking for some minutes, I had to open it and then stir again so that everything will just blend together. And as you can see, the gizzard is ready. I'm going to fry it now. I'm not going to fry it too hard, okay, as in too dried. I'm going to just fry it a little. That was the oil I used in frying the gizzard. I added a little more oil and then I'm going to pour in my onions and then I'm going to stir. And after that, I'm going to pour in my pepper mix. That's my scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper, and onions. So now I'm going to add some seasoning and then I'm going to lower my heat, okay? After lowering the heat, I'm going to add some bouillon powder. I'm going to, of course, stir again and then cover to let cook. After letting it cook for some minutes, I lower my heat. I pour in my gizzard. So now I'm going to stir and add my yellow bell pepper. You can add any bell pepper of your choice. It's very okay. So guys, as you can see, that's it. That's how I prepared this delicious peppered gizzard you are seeing here. I'm going to cover it again and then low my heat, like turn off the heat and let it heat a little. And guys, as you can see, that's how I prepared this delicious meal you are seeing here. Thank you so much for watching from the start till the end. Please help me to share the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.